Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and most stylish haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos about women's latest and trendy haircuts, hairstyles and hairstyle ideas. So dear viewers, I will suggest you to watch this video till end so that you cannot miss any idea about styling of your hairs. Dear viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this. I will catch you soon with latest content of women's fashion and style. Till then, stay connected and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more beautiful ideas about latest and trendy haircuts and hairstyles. Office going women should must try these beautiful and stunning haircuts and hairstyle, as these haircuts are very easy to style and very easy to manage. And yet women can try these beautiful and stunning haircuts to look younger, stylish and classy. So viewers, take care and keep visiting for more updates about latest and trendy haircuts and hairstyle designs.